Welcome to ASTIWZ E-Learning. ASTIWZ E-Learning is a software that helps you to know all about the computers, right from the history of computers till how to make use of it. Now let's see what actually ASTIWZ E-Learning is. So as you can see, this is the home screen of ASTIWZ E-Learning. ASTIWZ E-Learning screen is divided into two sections. On the left side, you can see a sidebar to navigate through the ASTIWZ E-Learning software. And on the top left corner, the name of the user who has logged into the system is displayed. Below this, the languages option, that is, you can select the language from there as ASTIWZ E-Learning provides multi-language support. Now we'll continue with English. The language option is so that the user can listen to videos and perform his tutorials in the selected language. Below this, there are 5 main topics covered. The first 2 topics are basic one and the remaining 3 topics are advanced. That is, it covers the MS Office and so on. In Introduction to Computers, the syllabus starts right from the history and generation of the computer. Let's select the first option. As ASTIWZ E-Learning focuses on 3 principles, that is teaching, tutoring and testing. So in the teaching phase we have videos, that is, let's see first video.
Designed to automatically carry out a sequence of F4 and the IP.
We have 3 videos that shows the history of computers, and in the 4th video we can see the summary of all these 3.
Now let's move portable. First 1940 to
and also we have tutorials, that is, once the teaching is completed, tutoring is done for the user. So we have history and generation of computers tutorial. Let's see what it is. The screen for tutorial has appeared and it asks the user click on the correct generation to which the image belongs. So let's see what it is. If the user fails to place the image in right area, then the tutorial guides it. So this is how ASTIWZ E-Learning tutorial guides the user so that the user can practice and learn. And we also have the count displayed for videos and tutorials. That is, it is the count that tells the user how many times the user has viewed this video and how many times the user has performed this tutorial. This is the option so that we can track the user's performance and the user's practice. After the teaching and tutoring phase, we have testing phase. In the testing phase, we have theory questions and practical examinations. Let's see the theory questions. This is the screen for ASTIWZ E-Learning Practice Theory Examination. The question number 1 asks, currently which generation of computers are we using? Let's select some option. Option number 3 and submit. So it's the wrong answer, and in the question palette you can see the question number 1 marked as red, that is, you have answered it incorrectly. And also it highlights the correct answer in color green and the wrong answer in color red. Let's see the next question. Who is known as the father of computers? Let's select some option and submit. So this is the correct answer. It highlights it in green color, and the question palette you can see the question number 2 marked as green. This is how the ASTIWZ E-Learning practice theory examination works. Now, in assembly of computers, the somewhat more interactive tutorial we can see here. Just drag the plug to assemble the computer. So this is how user can practice and be perfect in computers. The second section, Introduction to Windows, let's see what is there in it. Drawing in Paint. So a step-by-step guide is provided by ASTIWZ E-Learning. Drawing in Paint, how to use the Paint application, we have a step-by-step teaching in the form of videos. Let's see working with colors. How to work with. Now if you select the color from the base green upwards and color palette. Now if I wish, I can add the colors to your color palette. Thank you. After teaching through videos, for practice we have tutorials on the same topic, that is the knowledge. He can perform his tutorial using color brush. So select red color, then it guides me to click on a brush. After that, again click on a brush and select another brush. This is how the tutorials guide the user and so that he can practice. Each and every topic for a particular application is covered in the videos for teaching and in tutorials so that the user can practice. After that, we have practical examination in which the practical knowledge of user is tested. Question number 1 is add new folder with the name India. Let's start. Now I have to add a new folder. Now question number 2. See that the question number 1 is answered correctly and so it is marked as green. Now question number 2. Delete the folder with name India. Let's start. Now I have to delete the folder India. I didn't perform the assignment correctly and so in the question palette I can see the question number 2 marked as red. This is how the ASTIWZ E-Learning provides practical examination. In the another topic, that is advanced topic, Microsoft Word, practical examination. We'll see the practical examination. The question number 1 is to change the font color of second paragraph to red. Let's start. Now I have to change the font color to red and submit. I performed this assignment incorrectly and so the question number 1 is marked as red. Let's select some another question from question palette. Insert a smiley face into document. So this question I performed correctly and so the question number 10 is marked as green. So this is how the ASTIWZ E-Learning practical examination works. Now similarly in another topics too, we have teaching, tutoring And this is what ASTIWZ e-learning is you might have never seen before. Thank you.